Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the most useful and unique items out there. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best graduation signature board you can get your hands on for the class of 2025. Whether you're throwing a party for a high school or college grad, this piece blends sentimental value with a stylish design to create a keepsake that truly stands out. Let's get into it. At first glance, this graduation guestbook alternative by AMAZINGSUN immediately impresses with its sleek and elegant design. It's set in a bold black background accented with luxurious gold highlights. Right at the center is the word, grad, inlaid with sparkling diamond-style detailing. And right above it, a shiny, gilded 2025 seal. It's not just eye-catching, it's statement-making. This isn't your average guestbook. It's a centerpiece that sets the tone for the entire graduation celebration. Now, it's not just pretty. This product is built with quality in mind. The base is made from a thick, durable paperboard that feels premium to the touch. And it comes with a frosted pearlescent cover, which not only protects it from smudges or damage during the party but also adds a refined finish. The creators clearly had longevity in mind when designing this. You're not just getting a decoration. You're getting a time capsule that will hold up beautifully over the years. Once opened, this signature board expands to a large 18 by 12 inches. That's plenty of space for classmates, family members, and friends to write their heartfelt messages, share words of wisdom, or just scribble down fun memories. And since it lies flat and has a solid surface, people can easily sign it without the paper bending or tearing. It's simple, practical, and definitely thoughtful. But here's where it really earns its spot as a graduation must-have. It's more than just a guest book. After the party, this becomes a decorative piece. You can hang it up in a dorm, frame it for an office, or keep it at home as a cherished memento of a milestone moment. Instead of a traditional photo frame or yearbook filled with messages that might get tucked away, this sits front and center, reminding you of everyone who supported you along the way. And if you're looking for the perfect graduation gift, this is it. It's personal, it's interactive, and it creates an experience. Rather than giving a gift card or a generic item, you're giving something meaningful, an opportunity for the graduate to preserve the voices of those who shared in their journey. To wrap it up, this graduation party guestbook alternative from AMAZINGSUN is a standout product. It combines design, function, and sentiment in a way that's perfect for graduation season. It elevates the celebration and creates a memory that lasts far beyond the day itself. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If you're planning a graduation party or looking for a thoughtful grad gift, this might just be the perfect pick. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews on the most creative and impactful products out there. See you in the next one.